Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is prejudice. It is pronounced pre-j-dis, and it is spelt P-R-E-J-U-D-I-C-E. Think pre, then jud, and then ice. Prejudice means having or showing a dislike or distrust of someone for no real reason, or without ever knowing them. For example, if you had negative opinions about someone without ever speaking to them or taking the time to understand their point of view, you would be prejudiced against them. The word prejudice comes from the Old English prejudicen, meaning to injure or be detrimental to. If you are prejudiced, you are against someone for no reason, often in a way which would injure or be detrimental to them. In the movie Pocahontas, Radcliffe could be described as being prejudiced against the Native Americans. He determines they are hostile and want to take all of the gold. Yet he asserts this without ever having met or spoken to one of them. Whereas John Smith is the opposite. He does not make any hasty judgments or assumptions, and instead finds out that he and Pocahontas have many similarities. Prejudice is both a noun and a verb. For example, you could say, society should be aware of prejudice against people from different backgrounds. Or, you could use it as a verb, their prejudice led to their dislike of others. Prejudice is defined in the dictionary as an unfair and unreasonable opinion or feeling, especially when formed without enough thought or knowledge. Prejudice synonyms include preconception, prejudgment, detriment, harm, disadvantage, damage, injury, hurt, impairment, bias, and predispose. Antonyms include fairness, goodwill, impartiality, love, tolerance, and admiration. See if you can avoid being prejudiced today. Maybe if you've decided that you don't like or trust someone before you've actually met them, maybe you can rethink that decision that you've made and see for yourself. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, prejudice. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.